Hello, and a huge welcome to English Boost, the place where learning English becomes a fun and rewarding journey. I'm so excited to have you here with us today.
And I'm your co-host, ready to dive into one of the most essential skills in any language, introducing yourself. Whether you're at a party, in a new job, or just making a new friend, the question, can you tell me about yourself, is always the first step.
It really is. And while it seems simple, we know it can cause a lot of anxiety. How much should you say? What is too much? What if you make a mistake?
Exactly. So in this video, we're going to completely demystify this process. We'll break it down into easy to follow parts, give you clear formulas, and provide lots of examples so you can feel 100% confident.
That's our promise to you. By the end of this, you'll not only know what to say, but you'll also understand why you're saying it and how to adapt it to any situation. So, let's get started on building your perfect introduction.
Let's start by building a strong foundation. Think of this as the core of your introduction. In almost every situation, you will need these three pieces of information. We call it the who, where, and what.
Perfect. So, who is your name? This is the simplest and most important part. You can say, "Hello, my name is your name," or more casually, "Hi, I'm your name."
Next is where. This is where you are from. It could be your country or your city. For example, I'm from Spain, or I'm from Tokyo.
And finally, what? This is what you do, your job or your field of study. I am a student. I am an engineer. I work in marketing, or I'm a chef.
Now, let's put the foundation together. Listen to these examples.
Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm from Brazil, and I'm a university student.
Hi, I'm Ken. I'm from Egypt, and I work as a software developer.
See how solid that is? With just 2 or 3 sentences, you have given a clear and polite introduction. Let's practice this foundation again with 2 more examples. Please repeat after me if you'd like.
My name is Ben. I'm from Australia, and I'm a teacher.
I'm Chloe. I'm from Poland, and I'm a doctor. Excellent. Now that you have a strong foundation, let's make your introduction more memorable and personal. This is where you can share a little bit about your life and your personality.
The easiest way to do this is to talk about your hobbies and interests. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? This gives the other person something to connect with.
For example, you can use simple phrases like, "In my free time, I enjoy," or "My hobbies are," or "I really like."
Let's expand on our earlier examples. Sophia from Brazil could now say, "Hello, my name is Sophia. I'm from Brazil and I'm a student. In my free time, I love dancing and listening to music."
And Ken from Egypt could say, "Hi, I'm Ken. I'm from Egypt and I'm a software developer. I'm really interested in photography and I enjoy playing football with my friends on weekends."
Another great topic is family, but remember, this can be more personal. It's often best to keep it simple unless the conversation naturally goes there. You could say, "I have a small family," or "I live with my brother and sister."
That's a great point. So a full example could be, "My name is Anna. I'm from Italy. I'm a designer, and I have one older brother. In my free time, I love cooking Italian food."
Now, an important skill is knowing how to introduce yourself based on the situation. The way you talk to a new boss is different from how you talk to a new classmate. Let's look at the difference between formal and casual introductions.
In a formal situation, like a job interview or a business meeting, you should use full sentences and more polite language.
For example, "Good morning. My name is David Chen. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm from the London office, and I'm the project manager for the Blue Team."
Notice the use of "good morning," the full name, and the phrase "it's a pleasure to meet you." It's direct and professional.
Now, in a casual situation like a party or a language exchange club, you can be much more relaxed and friendly.
For example, hey, I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you. I just moved here from Poland. What about you?
See the difference? Hey instead of hello, first name only, and asking a question back to keep the conversation flowing. Let's practice one more of each.
Formal. Hello, my name is Maria Rodriguez. I'm a student at Central University. I'm very interested in this internship opportunity.
Casual. Hi there, I'm Ben. I'm a friend of Sarah's. I love your dog. I have a dog too. His name is Max.
Okay, let's put everything we've learned into practice with a longer role play. Listen to how we naturally combine all the elements in a conversation.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm David, one of the organizers of this event.
Oh, hello, David. It's nice to meet you. My name is Anya.
It's nice to meet you too, Anya. Where are you from? Your accent is lovely.
Thank you. I'm from Ukraine. I actually just moved here 3 months ago.
Welcome. That's exciting. What brings you to the city?
I'm here to study. I'm a medical student at the university.
That's impressive. It must be very challenging.
It is, but I enjoy it. When I'm not studying, I like to explore the city and visit coffee shops. It helps me relax.
That sounds like a great way to unwind. Well, it was wonderful to meet you, Anya. I hope you enjoy the event.
Thank you. You too.
See how that flowed? Anya used her name, her country, her job as a student, and her hobbies, all in a natural conversational way.
Before we finish, let's go over some useful phrases and a quick grammar tip to make your introductions sound even better.
For starting your introduction, you can use hello, my name is. Hi, I'm. Good morning, afternoon, I'm. It's a pleasure to meet you. More formal. Nice to meet you. Casual and common.
For talking about your interests, remember the simple grammar. Use the verb like with an ing verb. I like reading. I enjoy watching movies. I love playing video games. This is a very common and correct structure that will make your English sound natural.
And a final tip. Don't be afraid to use and but to connect your ideas, just like we did in the examples. It makes your speech flow smoothly.
And there you have it, a complete guide to talking about yourself in English. We started with a simple foundation and built it up step by step.
Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to communicate and connect. People are generally kind and patient, and they will appreciate you making the effort.
Absolutely. So, here is your mission. We want you to do 2 things.
First, practice saying one full introduction about yourself out loud right now. Use the who, where, what, and add one hobby. Go on. Pause the video and try it. Pause.
Second, and this is the most important part, we want you to write your own introduction in the comment section below this video. We read every single comment, and we would be thrilled to meet you and learn about who you are.
Tell us your name, where you're from, and one thing you like to do. Let's build a community right here.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You did a fantastic job. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye and good luck.
Bye, everyone.